Alright, this is a special treat. This is, I call him Blue. He's one of the Dino Squad friends as well. Very unique fella. Hey, buddy. One of the Dino Squad friends. He's my friend. He doesn't hurt us, and we don't hurt him either. His name is Blue. We'll give him 2 worms for him to go. Go ahead, buddy. You can have that one too, buddy, but just that one, not the one from the bowl, okay? This is part of the Dino Squad friends. His name is Blue. He's a very friendly bird. No, buddy, not the bowl, buddy. He wanted to get more worms, but I already fed him 2 this morning. He comes by every once in a while and says hi to the Dino Squad. Later, buddy. You have a good one. Yeah, he's very smart.